Hello everyone, my name is Adrisha. So today we are going to make a cute little snail. So we need these color clays, but you can use any color you want. So I'm gonna get this orange clay, then take a little bit of this orange and put the rest of it back to its. Then I'm gonna roll it like this. See? Now I'm gonna do it like this. Now, do not leave a space behind the shape. Now I'm gonna leave this here. Then I'm gonna get a little bit of red clay. I'm gonna get this much of amount. Then I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna again roll it and move it to more roll. See? Now place the shell like this. Place it in the center. See? Now I'm gonna make cutie eyes. So I'm gonna make this little white circle like this. Then I'm gonna get another white circle, place it on the snail. See? I'm gonna give it some blue. Then just make it smaller like this. But don't make it too much big or it won't look good on the eyes. Now place it in the eyes like this. See? This look like it's cute. Then I'm gonna get the antennas, but use any color you want. I'm gonna make it green. So I get this small amount of this clay. You can use any color you want. Then I'm gonna do like this. Then make it much smaller so it will look good on the snail. Place it right here. If it feels wrong, that's okay. You can pause it to make it right. Then I'm gonna do like this and roll it. And place little antenna right with the eyes are. Cute antenna. I'm gonna get these amounts of the other antenna and if it is too small, take more of this amount. See? I'm gonna roll it in this shape again. Just place this. This you can place it. If it's another one falls, and post my video, place it like this. For the smiley, you can use any color. Because the eyes are blue, I'm gonna use it blue. With this stack, then get a small amount of blue color. Right here. And just do it. If it is too much, don't worry. I'm gonna do it like this. Just smile it. Now place it. This too much. Do not squish it or it won't look nice. And this is too big. Oh no, sorry everyone, but now place it which shape will I'm gonna shape it with smiling. the center. Not too far or not too high. Like this. See, we made a cute little snail. Isn't he cute? Bye bye. That's for all today. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you next time.